Yo, what is up? Welcome back to PiesReacts. Today is an awesome video. Today we're going to be listening to Work Shit Out by Dirty Loops. This is a popular one that's been requested. So we finally found some time. Sorry for the delay. I've been away, been on holiday. So we're back now, making videos again and waiting for your reactions. I put this out there. This is not a channel for analyzing videos. This is just purely my reaction and what I like about the piece, what I don't like about the piece, what I find interesting about the pieces. That's all it is. So let's get into this. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, sub if you want to. We're on the road to 100 subs. We're getting there quickly, which is really great to see. And please check out my other videos. Anyway, let's get into it. Time for Dirty Loops. Work shit out. Let's go.
I better work shit out, but I like it too much. Spending all my money like I just can't get enough. I better work shit out, but it's killing my buzz. Sending all my sorries, still I just can't kill that rush. I got the sunlight. You bring the rain.
I reckon these guys would be mean to listen to live. You just know it's gonna go crazy. Ooh wee. Yeah. Hey, that slap bass, bro. Yeah, sing it, man. Woohoo! I love this a lot so far. It's building, it's building. It's like you've risen above the clouds, entered heaven. I'm not going to get religious here, but it's like we're up above the clouds now. And we're like in a fun, just experimental Rome. If you're listening, just close your eyes. Listen to this. Oh, man. How amazing. setup that he has for the drums is insane. Like, whew, what a machine to work on. Please can the comments remind me of their names, but man, main man on the keys and voice, bro, he's just absolute phenomenal. I could listen to him. Oh my. Just like oh, I thought that was it. It's so awesome to see the bond they have. Like best mates. Hmm. Oh. Fuck, he's got control, man. Oh. Oh. Fuck yeah, bro. That's so sick. You feel it? It's building again. Oh. Emotions roar in this, eh? That's so sick. Okay, so there's the names. So Aron Mellergård is the drummer. He's insane. Henrik Linder, bassist. He like, bro, like at the start of that piece, like he was just like, he's just amazing. He's so good. And then Jonah Nilsson, man, he's got a voice like that is just insane. What was that bit at the start? I was like, oh. Go. I love stuff like that. That's so cool. So cool. Man. That's so cool, but this is really old stuff and I'm only just discovering it now. I'm very annoyed. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me for this beautiful video. Thank you for all the suggestions for this because I thoroughly enjoyed it a lot. And I'm sure I'll be listening to more of Dirty Loops in the future. But anyway, for now, if anyone wants to suggest anything, please comment down below. But anyway, until the next one, look after yourselves, have a smile on your face, and enjoy your life. Peace.